This blue car was shot at right here on Birch and Chestnut, Santa Ana. We're in Santa Ana, off of Birch and Chestnut. It was a shooting, right? Crazy. You know if anybody got hit?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering.
Dang.
That car came out driving.
Yeah, I know the guy that was here right now said it was his brother, but I think he said he was okay.
You're lucky.
Yeah, but you can see the shots right there. See by the gas tank, there's some. There's one by the windshield.
That car came out by the alley.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh.
It came out the alley and came this way.
So you think they got shot in the alley and then they drove over here?
I heard one, and then over here, that's when they all started coming over.
Oh, dang. So they probably came over here for help or something, huh? That's crazy, man. We're on Birch and Chestnut in Santa Ana. Did you hear about the hostage situation earlier over there? 17th to the harbor, yeah.
Busy today.
I know. It's been crazy. You live around here?
Yeah, we're in the
Oh, okay. Is it usually pretty safe around here, or there's always stuff going on?
You were there randomly.
Yeah. All right, man. Thanks. Be safe, man. We're on Birch and Chestnut, Santa Ana. There was a shooting about an hour ago. It sounds about that this blue Honda was shot at. There's visible bullet holes in the car. I can see at least 3. One in the driver window, and then 2 under the gas tank. Not sure if anybody was injured. We're on the corner of Birch and Chestnut in Santa Ana. The corner of Birch and Chestnut in the city of Santa Ana. According to a bystander that was here, they said they heard 1 gunshot. They believe it was in the alley, and then a couple minutes later they heard a couple more, and then the car drove to Birch Street. As you guys can see, there's a gunshot on the driver's side window. And then right where the officers are, there's a couple more bullet holes by the tank. I'm not sure if anybody was hurt. Hopefully not. But I don't have any details. It's a blue Honda Civic. Sounds like there was a shooting about an hour ago. That car got hit a couple times. I don't know if anybody's injured though.
Thanks, brother. Have a good day.
You too, man. Be safe.
Yes, sir.
¿No sabes si dieron a alguien o no?
Nomás